Hello everyone, it's Leapfrog and I'm back here again. Today we're going to be shooting one of the final videos for this Cobra 2000 GTL. This radio is approximately 40 years old now and needed quite a bit of service to get it back into operation. It used to have an issue with setting itself on fire, but thankfully that's been corrected now through quite a bit of work. So we went ahead and changed all the electrolytic capacitors and the tantalum capacitors in this radio. Cleaned these switches, changed the final, rebuilt the power supply. Still have to do a final alignment, but it's pretty close right now. It's a little high on transmit, but that's not too terribly difficult. And then, of course, get the clarifier centered up for you. But yeah, the radio is about 98% there. The channel selector did have an issue where one of the digits died on me. So, you know, it's one of the perks of having an antique radio is that sometimes a part is going to fail. So we're going to get some new digits ordered, brand new parts, and I just have to get with you on the color that you wanted. We'll get that ordered when we get the decal set made, and that'll give this radio a nice custom appearance. It is fully functional now. Everything works. The final and driver bias has been set correctly, and yeah, it's pretty much 98% done. Just have to change a few capacitors there. Not capacitors, I'm sorry. A few LEDs in there, and yeah, maybe one or two capacitors to increase the audio bandwidth a little bit, just to kind of make it sound a little fatter out there on the airwaves. Okay, well, that's a quick update for you there, 521. I could show you the power output real quick, but, you know, it's nothing special looking at the meter. Main thing is that I go through and get the final alignment done, but now the radio doesn't burn itself up, doesn't catch on fire anymore, and it is reliable and safe. Got the correct rated fuse in there and everything else, so just wanted to give you an update video there. I'll get with you on the decal and the LEDs. You let me know what you want ordered, and we'll make it happen there. Okay, to all my subscribers, thanks for sticking with me. I know I haven't put out any quality content in a while, but we're gonna try to do something different here. I might start doing different videos instead of just radio work. But yeah, so that's a quick update. Hope y'all are doing well out there. And until we do it again, take care. And 73.
Well, next time I see you, I'm going to hold it up. That way there you'll know you're number one, too.